Hello everyone, I hope you're having a blessed day. I'm Leatherneck. Welcome to my channel, Leatherneck IT. We are in TestOut Hybrid Server Pro Core, Lab 2.2.5, install and configure the file server row. Let's get started. You're using the Corp File 16 server as a virtual file server. You can do basic file server management for the network users, but you need to be able to perform the following server manager tasks. Define policies that prevent users from saving .wmv files in the home folder stored in the server. Share files with Unix-based clients. So in order to be able to do those things, it looks like we're going to be adding some roles and features. Yep, we're going to be adding some roles and features. So we know where we need to go to. We need to get to our Corp File 16 server. So click on Corp Server, scroll down, and double click on the Corp File 16 virtual server. Let's go ahead and maximize this. Go to Add Roles and Features. Select Next on the beginning window. It is a role-based or feature-based installation, so select Next. Make sure the Corp File 16 is selected and select Next. From here, we are a file server, so it's going to be in File and Storage. File and iSCSI Services. Let's drop down that box. And the first one is add the file server resource. Here it is. And add it. The next one is add the server for NFS. Right here, server for NFS, and add that feature. Now we can just go ahead and click Next, Next, and Install. And our roles and features have been installed. Select Close and check our answers. And there you have it, another successful TestOut lab. I hope this video helped you out with this lab. Please like, share, subscribe. Throw me a comment. Let me know how it worked out for you. Have a good day.